Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm making a dresser for my aunt. The main materials used in this build is plywood for the base, 2x2 select pine for the legs, and poplar for the top and drawer fronts. I started off by cutting down the plywood to the correct size for the dresser sides. I forgot to film one step, and that was cutting down the legs of the dresser to the correct size. The dresser is held together using pocket hole screws. In this clip, I am drilling the holes for the screws using my pocket hole jig. Then I used a little bit of Titebond 3 for extra strength for the sides for assembly. Assembling the sides was a little hard, considering I had to clamp down the legs to the plywood face and then flip it over to install pocket hole screws. And here's what the sides look like after all assembly and after day one. Again, I forgot to film this part, but I added the back piece of plywood and then added the stretchers in the front top and front bottom for more support. And then I moved on to assembling the drawer boxes. I assembled my drawer boxes using pocket hole screws. I used 3/4 inch plywood for the sides and 1/4 inch plywood for the bottom. I then got the drawer slides put in and the boxes fit perfectly. I started off with 2 coats of primer and then 2 coats of the Kensington Gray milk paint. Turned out amazing. Here's the final results. Thanks for watching.